Hello, so welcome again to the vlog, and we are at SM right now. I hope so finding new cool toys. So off we go. Hello and good day again, everyone. Welcome again to the vlog. And so today I went to Toy Kingdom, and they were having a toy sale. So I bought a couple of toys. I went peg hunting for Hot Wheels, hunting for tomicas, and for other toys like action figures. And I will show you some of my hauls later, but anyways, they have a ton of sale, especially on Star Wars merchandise. They have big sales on Star Wars nerf nerf guns. They were more than 50% off. So I saw a nerf gun that was 3,500 pesos, I believe, and it was on sale for 1,000 pesos only already. And they had a lot of Star Wars action figures. They had the latest Star Wars action figure, which I'm not quite sure what line they were, but I believe they were in the cartoon series. They look like dolls. So anyways, they were on sale, and they were 500 pesos only, as you see on the footage I'm showing you. And they have a ton of Hot Wheels on the peg, but mostly they only had mainline cars. There were some cool cars like the Cruella de Vil, which I had doubts getting, but I almost got the two Cruella de Vil cars, but upon closer inspection, I really didn't like the quality of the molding, so I left it. And well, anyways, I'll show you right now some of my hauls. I'll show you all of my hauls, which are not that much. So this one is the Hot Wheels Honda Civic Type R, the red variant, which was on sale. It's only 100 pesos. And these two tomicas, the Tomica Civic Type R number 58 release, the white and red variant. So these three are all for me, and here are the toys that I got for Raphael. Of course, Raphael is my son. And this is the Hot Wheels track builder, and this is the digital speedometer. So this one is an accessory to that you can attach to your racetrack. So it has it is a digital speedometer accessory, so you can measure the speed of your car while it travels through this accessory. So this will be a cool addition to his racetrack, which we will be doing a series soon. We'll be racing Hot Wheels cars and racing them to see which cars will be the fastest. So watch out for that. We'll do that after Christmas and through future videos. So this will be a part of that. racetrack. So our next Hot Wheels videos will focus more on our hot tag hunts and racing them through the racetracks. So this one is cool. I got this for only 300 pesos from a regular price of 1,300 pesos. The next one is a small buy. It's a small toy, but this is pretty useful for him. This is the Lego building blocks base plate. So this is only 100 pesos and contains 2 building blocks base plate, which is really cheap already. And the last one that I got for Rafael is this one, the Digibird's robot bird from Silverlit. I haven't tried or tested this one out yet. That's why I only got one, and I was planning to buy 3 of them, and another one that had a cage, but since I have not tried this one and tested this, I only bought one, and if my son will like this, then I will add more to the collection. So this one I only got for 300 pesos, and the standard price was 850 pesos. So this one is cool because this one responds to your whistle, and it has 55 songs and tweets. And this is a really cool toy. Hopefully this one is functional and it's fun, so that I will buy more of this one soon. So anyways, that's all for my hauls. There were not plenty, but that's all I need right now. There were tons of Hot Wheels there, but I was not really looking for the main line anymore. So anyways, thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please do like and subscribe, and watch out for my future videos soon. Anyways, thank you guys, bye.